We take in all native wildlife species except for raccoon and deer, and we take care of them until they are big enough to be released. Almost all the animals that come into our center are coming in because of some sort of human impact, whether it be someone cut down a tree and knocked down a squirrel nest, or they hit a mother opossum and the babies are orphaned. But generally, there's in some way, us as humans have impacted the lives of those animals and interfered with their habitats. We would prefer to educate people on how to coexist in their own habitats, how to share their backyard, how to protect the bunny nest from their pet dog or their cat. The more that we can educate them and keep those animals in their natural habitats safe, the better it is for the animals, the better it is for the ecosystem, and the more that we can do for expanded populations of species.